Happy Saturday. It's Regina from Pampered Soaps, back to give you a middle way tour of where we are so far with the store. Okay, so we have painted everything. We don't have the white walls anymore. We have the gold color, which offsets with the wood a little bit. We still have some fixtures to put up, but we do have the counter that we put up here. So just a little bit more work to do here in the retail section, but it's definitely progress. We're also going to get the carpets cleaned. Hopefully we don't have to replace them, but right now we're going to get them cleaned and see what happens with that. We're actually going to put a curtain rod up here with a curtain, so this part will be blocked off. This is just storage right now. We have a lot of boxes in here and other equipment. Eventually it will just be our curing room, but right now the soaps are in the production area. This is the production area. We have a few of our tables and equipments here. The curing racks are here, but they will go in the curing room eventually. We are still working on covering up this cabinet here with wallpaper, which you'll see that in the next video. My office area, I have stacks of soaps here, and this is my computer and everything here. So this will be my little work area for me to do all the fun stuff that I do. And then we have all of the storage and product back here. So I have all my fragrances here, some packing materials here, some body oils and lotions are over here. All of my herbs are here. That will go between these three racks here. I have a lot of herbs. I put a lot of herbs in our soaps. And then just some extra containers and some extra herbs and stuff that I put into the soaps as well. This will be more storage back here for extra product that we're going to put onto the retail shelves. And of course all of the drawers over here will have other materials that I use in them as well. And that's where we are so far. We are on day 7. We will come back for our grand opening and show you what the finished product will look like. Until then, happy Saturday, be blessed. Mwah.